Dress circle location, blue chip real estate, park at the end of the street, sweeping driveway, side access. Welcome to number 27 Noah Court. It just oozes with space and quality. From the grand entryway to the 4 extra large bedrooms, the master suite is exquisite. The dream kitchen, butler's pantry. High ceilings, over 30 squares of quality here. You're going to be impressed. Bonus, a 6x3 tri-steel shed. A yard if you require a pool, easy to put in. Side access for the boat and caravan. It has it all here, it's just waiting for you.